everyone, I'm Rajex Gaming and today we're playing Boat Ride into Better Life. As you can see right now, we're getting bit by those sharks. Anyone, hit the like button so I can get out of this trap. Help! Oof. Okay, whoever pressed the like button, big shout out to you. He hit the wall again. And now, we are... No. This is completely normal. Wait a second. There can't be two sharks. So I can literally get past here without needing to die. I guess that guy died. Or maybe... Yes, he died. Oh. I tried like jumping. Okay. I'll go fast. We need to be like Sonic. We need to be faster than Sonic right now. Because with the Sonic speed, we could win. But yeah, we died. We are dead. Dude, if we get past here, it will be a big... Okay, we hit the sign. That sign hit me. Such a bully. He's a bully now. Is that the rank of a bully? Now he's not. Because he's helped everybody know that there's a shark coming. That guy is still alive. He's doing like better than me. So there are more than one shark. There are more than two sharks. There are a million sharks. Okay. Okay, we are doing really well. So there is ice under me. Really? There could have been a chance if there wasn't ice below me. Okay. No, not this guy. He pushed us. Why? I guess we're... Okay, this rock completely helped us. We needed that. Woo! I'm going to show you what this button does when we get to the finish. Okay. We are doing great. Dude. Why can't I turn around? So I tried making the shorter, but all I did was this. So I did this. And now it did was this, and then, wow, why is the game broke? We are going so fast. No. Okay, okay. We are doing so good. Why is my kayak slowing down? Instead of speeding up, we are slowing down. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, the shark is so far away from us. I don't understand how does the shark walk, just swim on ice. It doesn't make sense. There's literally no water here. And I don't know how to drive or how to swim on water. No. I died! Right at the finish! I think that was the finish line. No! We need to make it out of this town. This shark only town is really annoying. Actually, I don't like it. I hate it. No, no. Wait a minute. That isn't a shark. That's a car shark. He's walking on this. This is how he swims. Oof. Doing really bad. As we can see, the shark stops by itself. Really weird how. I don't know how, and I don't know why. Okay, okay, okay. We are doing good. We are doing so good right now. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. No, 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 no. We die. Do you guys see that? There's literally a shark in that container. Wait a minute. That's why there's only one shark in this shark town. I didn't know that this is the way. We crashed. Now the boat is going to sink. We are going to sink. I welcome that we are never sinking. Why? Actually, yes. Going to put it. Did you guys see that? It completely spin from the top. So like this. This boat is cool. It just did a flip. It's not a front flip, not a back flip. I don't know what it's called. Is it a round flip? I don't know. The flip that you go like this. Wow. I don't know what it's called, and I don't know if it has a name. Okay. The shark race. Okay. No. We are doing awful. By awful, we aren't even doing it. Yes. Woo! Just did the shark test. This is how I do the shark curve. Wait, it didn't even make the shark curve. Why is this game? It's turning to like boat ride in bleaching. Oh, this is because yeah. Go. No! We died again! Wait, what? That's a money man! It says think different. Okay, so I need to think different. So I want to go fast, but think different. That means we have to go all different. So we'll go slow on in the shark race. We are going as different as possible. We just died! And I don't know how. Let's see. Let's see if this will be the last try that we'll make. So we can win. Okay. We are going fast, as fast as we can. No. Okay. So those are the checkpoints. This one is called spaghetti dinner. Okay, so I guess we just teleport to different checkpoints. This is the last checkpoint. Maybe. Oh no. I don't want to die. I'm gonna think different. Instead of going fast, I'll try going slow. Okay, so I lied to you guys. Woo! Best turn ever. Okay, I'm going completely different. I'm thinking different because that's what the sign says. If you guys didn't see it, I'll show you guys. Dude, Bob, stop slowing down without. I don't know why, but I'm just going casual. And somehow I'm doing so good. No, 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 no. We don't want to be on the edge. Because, yeah, being on the edge is the biggest problem. I don't understand how we will move when my head is literally. Okay, I understand how the game is playing. I can't swim. Okay, we're doing this. Spaghetti dinner. Yes, yes. I don't know why. Oh wait, the spaghetti dinner is actually the one with the fishes. Okay, so step one, go to fishy part. Those fishes look extra happy today. Wait a minute. This one is trying to say something. Let's see. Huh? Okay. So he said that he's sad because because you guys didn't like the video. Not all of you. And that will make the fish so happy. Come on, like the video for the fish. Okay, this island looks cool. Can I jump on the island? We are going to be standing. Let's stand or the boat flip and choose. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button, and we'll meet the next time. Goodbye.